Guys, it's Evan here. We're gonna pull a prank on my sister. We're gonna be microwaving her laptop.
That's gonna be so good.
Yeah. Okay, so here are my assistants, Matt and Kevin.
What's up, man?
We hope this will work. We're gonna put it in there for 30 seconds and see what happens. Okay. So Matt, get the laptop and put it in there. Laptop. Okay, so I'm gonna put it on. Let's set it up here so that we can watch. And yeah, so this is gonna be really awesome. As you can see, it's going. It's already at 15 seconds. Okay, guys, move. Guys, move. We gotta get a good picture on this. Move more, move more. Here it is. It's almost, there. Okay, it's ready. It's ready. Let's see what happens. Here, let me take the phone. Yo, this is really cool. No, I cannot wait to see this. I cannot wait to see the look on her face when this happens. Open it, open it.
It's probably melted.
Open. It's wheat thins.
I was expecting it to like melt or like explode.
This kind of sucks.
Man, take it out.
I don't even like wheat thins that much. Yo, is there stuff in there? Oh my god. It's a full bag of wheat thins. Yo, this is shocking. You can't open it. You can't even open it.
Man.
Oh my god. Well.
Man.
Well, guys, think of the bright side here. At least it didn't explode.